On behalf of RMHP Collective, I welcome our beloved Chairman cum Managing Director Mr. Atul Bhatt ji, Director of Operations Shri A.K. Saxena ji, CGM Works in charge Shri Abhijit Chakravarti ji, CGM Synplant RMHP Kokon and RMD Mr. N.V. Swami. We are honored and privileged to have you with us on this opening day of New Year, sir. This is going to be a big moral boost for the team RMHP. RMHP Collective wishes you all a very happy and prosperous New Year. It is under your able guidance and leadership that we are striving towards success and achievement. In this journey to achieve the annual targets of 21-22 Army stones, which are LOSP 2 where we have achieved a shift peak of 2,300 tons. That is, we could achieve size door production all-time best month, which is 2,26,000 tons. That is this December only. Apart from this, GPL receipts also we had achieved peaks of 10,208 tons in a shift. That is on 1st August C shift. We could achieve a day peak of 27,346 tons on 1st August and a monthly peak of 6,08,000 tons in August 21. And in this process of trying to achieve better and better, we have also reduced the stocks of GPL below 1 lakh. And dispatches to Kokons also, under your guidance, we are trying to achieve, though the target set by you are still not achieved. We'll try to reach there also. But your guidance is there, and we all assure you that we'll all do that. Dignitaries on the dais to have a cake cutting.
Sorry, sir?
Radhika madam also please accompany us.
Radhika madam? Sure, HR.
Please give few motivating words to RMHP.
Good evening, everyone. Respected CMD sir, Chakravarti sir, Swami sir, Dhawan sir, Radhika ma'am, and my dear colleagues. Happy New Year, happy, healthy, and prosperous New Year to all of you, to your family, and to all those who are not attending this function, this small gathering now. So through you, my best wishes to the whole RMHP collective. Happy and healthy and prosperous New Year. That is year 2020. Happy, this New Year moment. But there are so many achievements of the shop, of the plant, which has already been shared by Dhawan sir. Last year we have produced more than, last calendar year, we have produced more than 6 million tons of hot metal. This is first time in RINL history that we have produced this much of hot metal. And I must say that this would not have been possible had the conveyors and the supplies from RMHP were not there. So you have played a significant major role in production of this 6 million ton plus hot metal. So my thanks to RMHP collective. And since last 2 years, I am seeing that RMHP has never failed us. Whatever has been demanded, RMHP has given. Whether it is a jump from 16,000-17,000 ton per day to 22 and 25,000 tons per day, or even 27,000 tons per day from GPL. It was a major leap, but once it was demanded, it was done. Monsoon, when we were in trouble, RMHP has never troubled the total production logistics. In fact, last year when we were facing the first wave of corona, a lot many efforts were done to save energy, to stop conveyors so that we can reduce energy consumption. Now again, this particular quarter, we are supposed to produce, you can say around 1.7 million tons of hot metal. So that is where again your capabilities will be tested, and of course it is much less than what you have already achieved. So I'm sure that you will be contributing positively to the first ever achievement of achieving 6 million tons of hot metal in a financial year. And yes, we all request, and we are utilizing this opportunity of addressing you on 1st of January, that it has to be the new year not only has to be healthy and lowest possible cost. So that is what my appeal, my humble request and my expectation from RMHP. And I am sure it is going to be fulfilled. So once again, Happy New Year to all of you, your colleagues and your families. Thank you very much.
Colleagues, on the dais, the director of production, ED works, your senior general managers, in charge. We are all here today to celebrate this New Year with you. Because 6 million tons actually means 6 into 3.5, which is how much of about 20 million tons? 20 million tons of raw materials. That is what you all handle. Nearly 2 million tons every month. So it is a huge, colossal task that I think that you can all be very proud of, that last year 6 billion ton was achieved, and that 6 billion means 20 million tons of raw materials that I think all of you handled for the first time. So as we becomes even more let's say challenging, because not only do we have to figure out ways to continuously give 2 million tons every month, but also now we have to start thinking of how we could bring the costs down. So some of the key deliverables that we will quickly, wagons which come from your steel plant are turned around, whether, let's say in terms of the stock building, how we can make sure that we can work with reduced stocks, because liquidity is a big issue. So in the last quarter, we'll also be looking at, whether instead of 45 days, can we work with 30 days stock? Can we, because liquidity has now become a big problem. So, which means that all of you have to become more efficient. There will be less room for slackness, that the system will accept. But I'm very sure that the RMHS department, they have seen, there was a time when I think your output used to, the supply to the coke ovens. But when we came here, we addressed all of you, we found that huge improvement, had taken place, and consistently you all started achieving 15,000 every day. And there were some days where you surprised us also by achieving 18,000. So the potential is all there. I'm sure that you are all, you all have the potential to take challenging targets, and that fourth quarter we will be creating records, not only the volume record, but also in terms of managing with less costs, managing with less material, and making sure that we set benchmarks in terms of operational efficiencies. So with that, let me wish again all of you very happy and prosperous New Year, and really I think what is coming next, 2022, we will be ushering in a new chapter in the history of RINL, in terms of profitability, in terms of profits, which will eventually translate into greater welfare of all our employees and their families. Thank you very much.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.